How to fix cellular is not working. For that, first of all, make sure that your device is not in airplane mode. Once you check that, go to your settings on your device. From there, you have to tap on privacy and security. Then go to the location services and make sure that location service is toggled on. Once you check that, scroll down a little bit. There you will see option of system services. Tap on it and toggle off cell network search option. Once you do that, go back to your settings homepage. From here, select general. Tap on it and scroll down a little bit. There you will see shut down option. If you select that, then your device will be shut down. Shut down your device for at least 1 minute and restart your device and check that if your problem is solved or not. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.